Guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. Right now we have English language, but if you want to change the language, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of system. Just click system. After that, on the very first we have option language and input. Just click here and then click languages. If you want to select any other language, go to other language and then click the language. Just click French. So as you guys see now, my language is changed to French. But if you want to change it to Urdu, all you guys have to do just long press this and take it to the upward like this. So the language is now changed to Urdu. And if you want to change it again to English, all you guys have to do is just again long press this 3 lines and then set it on the top. So this is how we can change languages in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.